Hello, welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh Madam. We This is the second video for the chapter 5th. In first video, we discuss about the introduction of secondary economic activities. Almost secondary economic activities are related with the primary and tertiary activities. In a secondary activities, there is the production and processing is an important part. There is a process on a raw material which we get from the primary economic activity. In this last video, we also discussed this map which is related with the location of industry. The location of industry is also affected by the various factors such as physical factor and second human factor. In physical factor, climate, water, resources are important, and in human factor or political factor, there is a other factor like a capital, then market, transportation, and other factors are important. In physical factor, we discuss a major 6 factor, that is climate, availability of raw material, water and power supply, labor, transportation, and 6 site or the availability of land where we develop a industrial setup. So these 6 factors are very important and they are affecting on industrial location directly. First physical factor, that is the climate. Climate is a very important physical factor which are directly affect on the development of some important or major industries in the world. First, there is a textile industry. For the textile industry, the need of humid and hot climatic condition is there, and that such type of climate is easily available in a coastal area. Therefore, the several textile industries are developed in the east coast of USA, then the region related with the coastal area of Great Britain and other European countries, and in India or China we can also observe the coastal area. Like in India, we observe the industries are located in Mumbai and Surat, Ahmedabad in Gujarat. So the physical factor climate is very necessary and directly affect. If a dry region is there, dry climate is there, then the thread of cotton is break, and that breakages are maximum at that time. That is not economical for the production. So textile industries, then other industries such as the food processing industry is also affected by the climate, because fruits and vegetables are perishable material. That's why the moderate climate is supportive for the food processing industry also. And commonly we can observe the industrial development is a took place in coastal area and in a moderate type of climate. In, for example, European countries, Central Europe, as well as the USA. Such a part is ideal for the humid climate, and there are setup of several industries are there. Then second point, that is the availability of raw material. If a raw material is a perishable, weight losing, heavy weight, at that time the industries are located in a raw material producing area. For example, agricultural raw material is there. For example, sugar cane, fruits, vegetables, and the food processing industries are there. At that time, that industries are located near a raw material producing areas. If a sugar industries are developed or the locate away from the food, away from the harvesting area, away from the sugar cane producing area, at that time there is the high cost of transportation, because the sugarcane is a very heavy material, heavy raw material, as well as with the time the reduction of sucrose is also there. So the availability of raw material is also affecting availability of raw material, as well as nature of raw material is also affecting on the industrial location. Third, water and power supply. For the processing, there is a need of machinery, and the working of that machinery is depend on the power supply. So cheapest energy availability for industries, that is also affect on the cost of production, as well as water is also necessary for the cleaning, then cooling and processing of a material. So water availability, fresh water availability and power supply, both are directly affecting on the industrial location. In European country, the region related with the Alps region, in Italy, it is very important for industrial setup because there is the cheapest hydroelectricity is available from the waterfall of Alps mountain. It is supportive for the industrial setup in a Italy region. Labor is also important. Skill, semi-skilled and unskilled labor force is necessary for the industrial location, and this type of labor is easily available in a urban center because labor are migrate from a rural area to urban area in search of employment. That's why for a skill, semi-skilled and unskilled labor supply, the urban center is very important. Then fifth, transportation. If a transportation development in a region is good and developed, at that time the transportation of raw material from producing area to industry and the finished product which produced from the industry, we can supply it towards the market through the effective mode of transportation. So therefore the industrial development, effective transportation system is also important. In a developed area, in a developed country, there is a effective transportation modes are available. That's why the industries are also developed. Site or availability of land. A land within a low rate is very important for the industrial setup. If the land prices are high, then we cannot develop the industrial location in that region. Rural areas have availability of land in a low cost is there, but other factors are not supportive for the setup. That's why the industries are almost developed in a outer part of urban centers, which are near to the urban center, and the availability of labor is also available from the urban area, and raw material we can transportation from the rural area. So that's why the setup of industries are almost we can observe in outer part of urban center, where the extensive land is available with a low cost. In this way, these six factors are directly affect on the industrial location: climate, availability of raw material, water and power supply, labor, transportation, and site or availability of land.